We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous luxury French fashion house created in Paris in 1909 when Gabrielle Chanel opened a millinery shop in Paris. We are looking at the typical French way of pronouncing Chanel. Of course, you do not want to say Channel. This is a luxury French fashion house, Chanel. Chanel, the typical French pronunciation, Chanel. Chanel. Chanel makes perfumes, haute couture and ready-to-wear fashion accessories and many other things. Chanel. Chanel. The typical French pronunciation again, Chanel. 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 I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.